In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the weather here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but you actually can not do this unless you're doing it through a race itself. You can't do it in free roam on the full free roam map, since free roam weather is synced for a bunch of different players all in the same lobby. But to actually do this though, what you need to do is change it for a race or start a custom race and create one through Event Lab. It doesn't really matter. Essentially, before you start a race itself, and we'll just teleport over to any race, right? Like, oh, it actually looks like we haven't done this one yet. Let's go ahead and do this one. Make your way over to the race or through Event Lab. It doesn't really matter. Once you're here though, enter the event, hit whatever it might be, and if there's a section on here to go into like custom race, you can go into that. Or what you can also do once you actually load in and choose, whatever the recommended car is. Let's go ahead and see what this recommended car for this one is. Oh, the Ferrari. Okay. Let's actually do our Corvette, right? You're going to see a section on here. It's going to say like event settings. You need to go ahead and open that up. Let's wait for this cutscene to load. Oh, it looks like this one actually doesn't have it. So not all the races are going to have it. We'll just demonstrate this real quickly through the Event Lab then in that case. So tab over Creative Hub, Event Lab, and then of course you can go through and let's just do create real quick. You can go to event settings on here, and if you scroll down, you're going to see not only time of day, but you'll also see weather. So you can customize it on here just like so. Once everything's set, go ahead and just confirm the event. Go ahead and then hit publish, and you can go ahead and do that race with that changed weather. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.